a cell of your immune system will only fight pathogens. A neuron will conduct an electrical impulse, will release neurotransmitter, and that's it. A cell of your retina will respond to light, that's it. They will never do something else, they will never transform. At the other end of the spectrum, we have stem cells. Stem cells are cells that technically do nothing. Their role is in their ability to transform into other types of cells. Traditionally, they were known to be the precursors to blood cells. Red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets, and that's it. So the huge breakthrough is that early 2000, stem cells were observed to have the ability to transform into cells of the heart, the liver, and the brain. And that was a real breakthrough. Since then, they were shown to have the ability of becoming cells of other types of tissues. But this was a huge breakthrough. This is a little bit like saying, we know that a caterpillar can transform into a butterfly, and now we're discovering that a caterpillar can transform into a cat, a dog, and a horse. That's about the impact that it had in science. So on the basis of this information, a colleague of mine, Dr. Dieter Jensen, and I, we published an article in a journal called Medical Hypotheses, in which we proposed a wild idea at the time: stem cells constitute the natural repair system of the body. It was so wild at the time that I remember once talking about this, and there's a professor that came and saw me after the lecture, and he said, I have to tell you something because it looks like nobody is telling you, son, you're just an idiot. And it's interesting just because it just shows how much of a breakthrough it was at the time. So now we can fast forward 15 years later. There are a lot of studies, hundreds of studies have been published to support this whole process. So